$33 heat system here, 33 all in and done. Here we go. Here's $3,300 heat system here, 33. Did they mark it? Here's $3,300. Here's $3,100 heat system here, 33. 40, 33, $3,400. Here's $3,300 heat system here, 140, 33, 34. Pull up. Here's 33, 34. Y'all good done.
Absolutely for sale. They called in and said no.
30 hours.
Be on top. Brand new tractor.
They have no use for it. He passed away and they're just sitting in the shed. We're going to sell it and then we'll sell the tiller. But it's just basically a brand new tractor. 50. Hey, 50 grand on it. $50,000. $50,000. $32,000. Now 5. $32,500. $32,000. Like brand new. $32,500. Y'all through and done. You can join the Wish You Woulda Club. $32,500. $32,000. Said no, and I sold it. $32,180. Now sell that tiller.
Today is August 28th, 2024. We are north of Strawberry Point, Iowa at Joel's Tractors and Equipment for an amazing tractor and farm equipment auction. Not only do they have the best lineup of tractors and machinery for miles and miles around, but they have the best pulled pork sandwich this side of the Mississippi River. Two 4230 John Deere's. $44.40. $45.55. There's a 751 loader. Here we got Marty suffering from a case of heat exhaustion.
Bored.
Oh, they'll get here soon enough. $40.55 John Deere. $94.10 Maximizer John Deere Combine. Swather. Case IH front wheel assist. L105 loader. And the tractor's a 145. $94.50 John Deere Combine. Grain head. Ford 8670. Little Massey 1740. $42.40 Deere. $84.30 Deere. $44.55 Deere. $44.50 Deere. It's a nice looking tractor. $49.60 Deere. $61.25R Deere. $44.40 Deere. I'll go over the Poverty Row over here. Massey Ferguson utility. 850 John Deere. Case skid steer. Well, the tracks have seen better days. 300 case. 4610 Ford. Dwarfed by the New Holland TS 135A right next to it. Got a grapple on it. White 288. Farmall H. Super H. Farmall, what is this, F20? Not sure. Where's Bryce when you need him? Farmall Cub. John Deere GP on rubber. Hit and miss. Farmall M. Farmall M. Jump over a row here. I believe this is a 50. Yes, it is. 50. Tin's pretty straight. Got big tires on it. Must be 38s. Twelve 438s. John Deere 630. Both of these have the buddy seats and seatbelt on that one. 3-point. No 3-point on the 50. It's not unusual. A John Deere number 48 loader on this tractor. I think it's a 3020. Yep, 3020 power shift. 65. Got chains with it. They've seen better days. 2510. 3020. 2510. 3020. 1750 Oliver. Oliver 80 RC row crop. 1750 Oliver. Massey Ferguson 65. 1800 Oliver. Oliver 88 RC row crop. And a 1600 Oliver. Here you go, Bryce. Minneapolis Moline spreader. How about that? How about that? Looks like it needs a jack.
Sure, what do you charge him a day to stay beside him? Maybe $1,500. He's just going to, it should be a lot. He's $1,500. He's just going to do. He's 17 and a half. He's out on 2.5. He's $4,500. Right and dry, very bad, boys. He's $4,500 on it. He's $4,500. He's just going to $505. He's $500. He's just going to $505. He's 42 and a half for the bed. 25 to buyer. He's $4,507 for duty. He's $4,500. He's just going to $670. 47 more. He's $4,700. Gordy. He's $4,770. He's runs very bad. You shut her down. He's $4,700. He's just going to $47 which is good. He's $507. He's $45,600. He's $4,500. He's just going to $600. All that and done makes it. He's $4,600. He's $4,500. He's just going to internet coming. He's $45,600. He's $4,500. He's just going to $600. He's $4,500. He's just going to $6,600. $4,506. $4,500. $4,600. Last call. He's $4,500. He's just going to $600. He's just going to $500. Whoops, to it. $4,500. Roll across hall. 747 buyer. He's 37 and that 8. He's 37 and 8 pound dollar. He's 37 and 8. He's 37 and that 8. He's 37 pound dollar. He's 37 and 8 pound dollar. He's 37 and 8. He's 37 and 8. Y'all through y'all done. He's 38 pound dollar. He's 37 and 8 pound dollar. He's 37 and 8 pound dollar. He's 37 and 8. Y'all through y'all done. 37, 38. Gold truck, 37,000. Internet, 4488. What do you want to get? Get 50, 20, 25. And look at this, I'm going to get 25, I get 20, 55 days, I'm going to get 25, 25. Now, 35, 35, 35,000. And 75, 35, 37, 35, 75, 35, 75. And we get 35, sold it right down here, 35,000. The boys there, 35,000. He's going to get number 4s. 207.
He said he farmed 64 years, ladies and gentlemen. He bought this tractor brand new, and you know, like I say, it just never left his farm. Very small farmer. We ordered a cab kit. It just came in yesterday, so we didn't get to put the cab kit in for it. But if you want a cab
27.5, 28.5, hey, look at 75, give me 5 days, 75, give me 5, 28.5, 28.5, 28.5, 87.5, hey, look at me 5 days, 75, give me 5, 75, 8.5, now 9.5, 8.5, there, give me 9.5, 8.5, there, 9.5, 8.5, there, 9.5, give me 5, there, 9.5, they'll love you on that one, 8.5, give me 29, and give me 5, there, look at down, David, look at down, look at down, look at down, look at down, 8.5, give me 29, look at 29, down, down, 29, down, down, 29, down, down, I get 8.5, give me 9, now 5, 29.5, look at down, there, he's gonna be 5, come on, Ohio, $29,500. I got $9, I'm going to get down there, going to be $500 there, $29,500. Get down there, he's going to be $500 down there, now $29,500, now 5, 8, 29, 5, 30, there's $30,000, 30. Get down 5, down 30, another man, going to be $30,000, $30,000. Come on, Iowa, 9.5 going to be 30, but get down 5, going to be 30, but get down 5, going to be 30. And 9.5 here, now $30,000, $30,000. I'm on a seller, and get down 5 here, now $30,000, now what, now $30,500, and $30,500, 30,000. Iowa's in the lead. I get $30,500, $30,000. Ohio, come on. $30,500, $30,000, $500, $30,000, $500, hey, $30,000, now 5, $30,000, now 5 on a seller. Hey, $30,000, now 5, $30,000, now 5, $30,000, now 1, $31,000. Hey, $31,000, Iowa, get to be 31. I get $30,500, $31,000, $31,000, 31. Hey, $31,000, 30. Don't hesitate, boys. You want in and get in.
Yeah, you won't.
Hurry up if you want in. $31,000, 31. I have $30,500, $31,000, $31,000, 31. Anybody else? Last call, 31. Sold it. It's gone. $30,500. Going to.
Okay, here's one really hard to find, Perry. 7700 open station mechanical, guys. We haven't had one of these in that I can ever remember. You know, these open station ones like this are extremely hard to find. She's a good old runner tractor, new rubber on the back, guys. Buy her, ride and drive.
Tractor, day 37.5, do 3,575, day 3,500, 75, you get 75, day 3,575, do 37.5, $40,000, 40 grand, boys, $40,000, 37.5, 40. $100, $105, 43.5, $43,500, 105, 43.5, pull up, $43,000, 105, 43.5, total $43,000. 1, 2, day $2,000, he's in now 2, 3, $62,000, $3,000, 62, 63, all through, y'all done. $62,000, $3,000, don't bear 2 and 3, all through, y'all done. 62 and 3 and 9, sold it, internet, $62,000. $8,000, $8,000, now 9, $49,000, $15,000, 50, now 5, now 50, $15,000, 50, $15,000, 15,000, one of a kind, $50,000, 50 grand water, $50,000, 50,000, 50, all the work done, 50 grand D water, $50,000, now 1, 50, here's 51, ready to go, $50,000, $51,000, internet, you are out, 15, now 1, $15,000, now $51,000, 50 now 1. Last call, here we go. $50,000, now $51,000, 50 now 1. Last call, $51,000 all through, y'all done. Sold to you, sir. 50,000 even money. 5106. 5106. Thank you. You bought a nice one.
Yep, this came off the same farm, Jeremy.
4440, right off the same retirement.